Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So as you guys can see, I have the tablet right here, and if there's no sound during your calls, for example on WhatsApp by the VoIP call, then basically first what you guys need to do is try and check the side buttons first before doing anything. Make sure that here you guys have it up to the max. You can also do that in the settings, so let's go to settings, and here in the settings what you guys need to do is basically go to sound and vibration and just do that. Now here in the sound and vibration, make sure that the media volume, ring and notification volume is up to the max, and that the do not disturb is disabled because it can sometimes be messy, and that this might be the issue of you not having your sound during calls. So after that, leave the sound and vibration. Now what you guys need to do is go to Bluetooth right here, and now make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled to rule out some connected devices. So if there is a device connected to your tablet, for example like your headphones or something, then the audio might be routed there and not to your tablet, so this might be the issue. So make sure to disable Bluetooth for the time of testing. Now after that, what you guys can try is cleaning the speakers with a soft brush, because it might be the issue of them being filled with dirt, debris, whatever. So make sure to keep them clean, and to clean them with something soft and non-metallic, because you can only make things worse with metallic tools. Now what you guys can do is try and test it in different apps like, let's say, Messenger, WhatsApp. Here you guys can check that if it works, and if not, then what you guys can try is restart the tablet. So to disable your tablet, basically hold the power button. Do not mind the Gemini popping up right here, just keep on holding, and now click reboot, and now wait for your tablet to turn on back. So I'll see you guys then. So after turning it back on, if nothing works still, then what you guys can try is factory resetting your tablet. So this is as a last resort, so don't do it unless it's still not working. So to do that, basically go to the settings. Now we need to scroll a bit down to general settings, almost at the bottom. And here click first backup to back up all of your important files and data. Now click reset options, and here click erase all data. So now after we click erase all data, everything will be deleted from the internal storage of your tablet, and it says including your Google account, system and app data settings, downloaded apps, and much more here. So always be careful while doing that. Make sure that you have your backup, and if nothing else worked, even the factory reset, then it might be the hardware issue, and you should get it checked out by the Lenovo Support Center. So that'd be it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. See you next time.